main reason I'd have a trade stand at any RHS show is people get to see your product.
And it's a great way to show people what we do. They can touch and feel it, they understand our brand.
It's one of the main key points that we can do throughout the year at meeting our customers directly.
Our work is so tactile, it's really important. To see it on an image, it just doesn't do it justice.
This is a way of us meeting new customers, showing them our tools, showing them what we do, and then steering them either to direct sales through our stand or onto our website for follow-on sales.
However much money you would spend on advertising, doing beautiful photography, front cover of Garden magazine or whatever, still customers love to see product.
This is our customer base. These are the people that we want to sell to.
It's a good spread of people who are gardening day in, day out, or just people who are just hobbyists.
And there's big volume in a small space. We don't come to lose money, we come to make money.
We get enough to certainly pay the way for coming, the slight disruption to the business, and obviously the profit for actually coming to the shows.
We're probably looking at about half of our business throughout the year, if not more. There's a vast range of professional people that visit the shows and we then end up working with.
And any self-respecting designer, landscaper is going to come to the show to look around to see what new products are available. So it's associating with the right people, not just the customers, but those contractors and industry specialists.
We have fantastic after sales.
We get leads from 3 years down the line, but a lot of it for us is the brand awareness. It's getting the name out there and being seen. How does it benefit my company? Well, multiple ways. I mean, apart from the amount of TV coverage that you get at the RHS shows that you don't get at other shows. Newspapers, it's the buzz that gets associated with it.
I thoroughly enjoy these shows, the whole build, the whole setup.
Everybody works together with the RHS shows.
We feel very privileged to be working with the RHS.
The RHS team, they're brilliant.
And what's the ultimate game is to put on a great show, for us to make great sales and get good numbers and good feedback from the RHS members.